got something on my mind. I'd like to tell you, but that's just a waste of time. Cause when I walk with you, I always fall behind. And when I talk with you, I always get tongue-tied.
Justin! He's down here right now!
Yeah.
What is this?
Hey, what?
Wow, the goldfish!
Yeah, I didn't do that. What?
Yes, they're lying to me!
They didn't do that.
Yeah,
I
you
didn't
did.
do that.
That was you!
I didn't do it, Dad. I didn't.
No, the one who did it.
Maureen probably did it. Maureen probably did it.
My daughter!
Yeah, your daughter.
No, she didn't!
I didn't do it. Dad. I didn't do it. I swear.
Yes, it was you!
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Dad,
Don't lie to me.
I didn't do it.
Don't
I didn't do it.
do it.
Ow! Stop! 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 Ow! Ow!
It'll be fine, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. It'll be fine, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. Come lie with me. It'll be fine, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. Just give me a little more time.